My last project was an all-wood crate. So along those same lines, I decided to build an all-wood centerpiece, and it will have handles on the end that will have screws. Other than that, it will be all wood. I'll be using my doweling jig as well as my dovetail jig to build this. Using the miter saw, I cut the 1x4 into 4 pieces, 2 18 inches long and 2 pieces 6 inches long. These will make up the sides of the centerpiece. I numbered the boards so I knew which boards matched up. I put the boards into the dovetail jig and used the router to cut. I found making one cut along the outside first helped with the wood splintering. I used wood glue and a rubber mallet to attach the sides of the centerpiece together. This step is not necessary, but because I had some dovetails that split at the ends, I used the table saw to smooth out the top and the bottom edges. I measured for the bottom board and cut to fit using the table saw and miter saw. I cut the wood dowel into 10 pieces, 1.5 inches long. Using my doweling jig, I drilled a hole through the side and bottom and put a wood dowel in using wood glue and a rubber mallet. Using my router and a roundover bit, I rounded the inside edges of the centerpiece. Using my drill, I drilled holes for the drawer pulls. I applied Minwax stain in the color Honey and 2 coats of polyurethane. I attached the drawer pulls to each side of the centerpiece.